Today we're making that beautiful candle. Welcome to the channel, guys. I am Kim with Ginga Textile Designs, and let's get to it. First, we're going to start off with our supply of candle dyes. I will link in the description everything that I use. We're using white, bubblegum pink mica from Makesy, not sponsored. The candle dyes are from Amazon. Bright pink, violet, and last but not least, nice vibrant orange. A little bit goes a long way, so I just got just a little bit of flakes sprinkled in each little container. For our supplies, we need a popsicle stick, some stir sticks, a clear glass jar. This is a 9-ounce. Wick center tool or popsicle stick. You can have wick centers. A wick and a wick sticker. Use the CD20 from Candle Science, not sponsored. Thermometer. You can use infrared or a stick thermometer. I do prefer the stick. I feel like it just is a little bit more accurate than the infrared. Last but not least, fragrance oil. You can choose any scent that you like. I do get mine from Candle Science. Some alcohol. I'll need that to make sure that inside of the jar is nice and clean. A scale that measures in ounces and grams. And one of the most important, wax. Melted to 185 degrees. I use 100% soy golden brands 444 from Candle Science. Alright, let's get started. So we've gathered all of our supplies. Now we need to add 2.2 ounces of wax to each color. Add in our fragrance oil and mix all the colors for 2 minutes each. We're using 0.34 ounces of fragrance oil. I just spread it out evenly between the 3 colors to get an even scent within the candle. I did add in the pink bubblegum mica to the bright pink color. We're going to check the temp to see if we are below 150. We're still a little bit above, so we're going to make our clouds. Our white wax is at pudding consistency. It's perfect to adhere to the side of the jars. And we're just going to go around the jar, just blotting it and making some little clouds, some long clouds, some short, fat, and round clouds. This is really, you can really have fun and let your creativity flow. It's kind of therapeutic just sitting there blotting along, just making little clouds. I did it go a little bit thin, maybe towards the bottom of some, a little bit thicker at the top. Made a little bit longer edges. Really, there was no method to the madness. I kind of just zoned out, turning and sticking the wax in. You do the work kind of fast, so I did notice that it sets up pretty quickly. Got a couple little clouds to add in. Almost done. Somehow that guy did end up with like a little cloud on him. It's going upside down right now. Looks like a donkey. Camel. Whatever your imagination. temp our wax one last time. Make sure we're below that 150 so we don't melt the clouds that we just worked on making around the jar. I do like to be about under 135. We're going to center our wick. Make sure we press down. Get it in there. And now the fun part, we're going to layer in our colors. Start off with some orange on the base. You can wait for the colors to solidify more to get a harsher transition between the colors if you'd like, but I am just kind of swirling in. I wanted that more pink, purplish orange kind of ombre blend aesthetic going on with this candle. Like summer, the sunsets, they're gorgeous. And we're just going to keep layering in until we've reached the top. I'm just alternating between the bright pink, the violet, and the orange. And I'm making sure that I'm going around in a circle for the most part to get the swirls in. I do go in with just a hint of white. I'm going to add in the last of that orange. And hit it with some more pink. You can really see that shimmer in there. And we're going to top it off with a purple. Alright, let's add the wick center. Make sure that we're all aligned. Keep our wick nice and straight. We're going to look at it from the side all the way around. It's really dark right now. It will lighten up. We're going to leave it set for at least 24 hours. Alright, so we set 24 hours. Now we're going to trim the wick. Put at least a 1/4 inch above the wax. Let's give her a little spin here. See a little cloud animal. We're going to add our label. We're almost done. I did pick some fruity scents. Starfruit, kiwi, blackberries. Nice and fresh for summer sunsets. Look at that nice blend. Orange to pink to purple. The shimmer when it lights. I'm going to add in our warning label. I will leave a link in the description. Then we get to light it up. Don't forget to leave me your comments, guys. Let me know your thoughts. What should I make next? Did you like this project? Are you going to make one yourself? What scents would you choose? We'd really like to hear from you. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, stay crafty. Bye, guys.